Hi, welcome to another episode of this video. And in today's video, we're talking about a subreddit I saw. It says, does Reddit actually help local SEO for small service businesses? So I'm going to read through this thread. I'm going to give you my take on exactly what it entails in this thread and way forward. So someone posted, has anyone here used Reddit to help a local business rank better? I run a small plumbing business and I'm trying to figure out if Reddit even moves the needle for local SEO or if I'm just wasting time. I've seen people say Reddit thread shows up in Google a lot. If that's true, I would love to use it to get more local calls, but I don't want to look spammy or get banned. How do you post in a way that feels natural and still helps your business show up when people search for plumbing help in your area? So I briskly browsed through most of this comment section. I was very particular about this one here. Some said if you really want local SEO, if you really want Reddit to help your business find local subs like you would in real life, people ask about weird leaks or noise in the pipes all the time. Jump in, be helpful, and folks start to remember you. That's kind of really nice. Then another very interesting one here is it's so yes, I execute the strategy for all my local service clients, including plumber. This thing is nobody but you cares that you're a plumber. The only time you're being a plumber matters is when it's invitation. That is, someone in your local city subreddit is looking for plumbing help. It goes on to say his advice: always add value to the exchange and never ask for anything. Do not link back to your site, blog, etc. unless someone specifically asks. But do contribute, provide expertise, etc. and provide context. There's nothing wrong saying that you work for XYZ company, plumbing company, and encounter this issue often. I suggest you be specific and selfless. Reddit will show you apart otherwise, and that's not helpful. Conversely, if you come off as genuinely helpful with relevance, when relevant, you can build a claim on Reddit and be who is suggested when the need arises. In terms of direct impact to SEO, my testing suggests that increased brand placement on Reddit thread that match bottom funnel intent quite helpful in driving brand search traffic, which is really very, very helpful. So here's my 2 cents here. Like if Reddit does really help local SEO, the truth for small businesses. So if you're a small business owner wondering if Reddit can really help your plumbing company, your local service business, whatever, show up on Google, then basically you're really not alone. So Reddit is like a big online bulletin board where people talk about virtually everything. And in the next 7 to 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how Reddit can help your business and what won't work. So here are the basic summary from the comment threads from the Reddit post that actually I showed you not quite long. The first one is that the helper wins. So the top comment that got most of the votes says the secret is being genuinely helpful, which is absolutely correct. You want to join local subreddits like online enabled groups, answer questions about plumbing problems, and people will definitely remember you. This goes for any plethora of local service businesses. Don't try to sell, just simply help. Then the second one, it's a long game. So multiple comments agree that Reddit isn't for getting customers instantly this month. It's like planting seeds that grow over time. So this is basically something you really want to do. So it's a long-term strategy. It's not something like when you're running Google Ads or even doing local SEO. Those are a bit faster than your Reddit listing. But Reddit is something that is in the long haul. You get these brand mentions, people start noticing you within your local subreddit for the go-to guy because you always give helpful advices, and that's it. Then the third one is focus on Google first. So aside from going to Reddit, the first thing really need to do. So several people want that Google business profile and website are really, really very much important on Reddit. So that's the basic thing you really need to fix first. You want to fix your Google profile first, then before you go on to having other supporting websites help those businesses rank even better. Then the last one says brand mentions matter. So when people talk about your business name on Reddit, the thread that shows up in Google, more people search for your business by name. And that's super, super duper valuable. So what's true exactly what is post that Google Reddit's posts do show up in Google. That's 100% true. Google now shows Reddit's results more than ever. So because of discussion, not just Reddit, discussion boards, because these are real people engaging and giving helpful advices that helps people. So Google really wants to be helpful to their users. So they show more of Reddit threads up in the search. So your helpful comment can be found months or years later. So this is really something that you really want to dial in. So you want to be very prominent within your local subreddit. This does not just go with Reddit, even Facebook groups and all of those, because they tend to show up in Google right now. So local expert confirms that consistency over time wins. That's 100% correct also. People need to see you 11 plus times before buying. This is more of like a marketing kind of statistics. So then the comments with real value gets found by the right people. Then Local Brand Academy by Jackie Chow confirms relevance and prominence really matter, because since you're in your local group and you're being helpful and people really want to remember you, and they basically search your brand name, and it gives you more trust with Google, and you tend to rank higher because they're searching your brand name. So there's really nothing you can do that. So increased CTR via brand name mentions when people search for you. It's kind of like a very good ranking signal for your website, for your Google business profile, and every other asset you own online that drives traffic and customers to you. And every expert agrees that fixing your Google business profile comes first in Reddit. And Reddit should be an extra credit, not just your main strategy. So what won't work? Posting ads or links everywhere, you're definitely going to get banned. Expecting customers tomorrow, that's not how this works. It could actually come. You really don't know. So, but Reddit, it's a bit slow. You want to build credibility. People want to trust you first. Then using Reddit instead of Google Business Profile is a really big mistake. The biggest asset you could own as a local business owner is your Google Business Profile. So you really want to dial that in. Then build salesy. People will definitely ignore you. You want to be helpful on forums like Reddit, Facebook groups, and any other forum where people go to basically ask for help. They're not looking to be sold. They're basically looking to get a challenge of theirs faced or answered in a very right manner. So here's that tips to use Reddit basically. So the step one is join your city subreddits. Find where your neighbors talk online. So if you are in McKinney, Texas, you want to go to a McKinney group and just sit around and wait for when people ask questions, or you too can be helpful about something you saw within a neighborhood and you really think you should share, or you want to see, okay, exactly how people are reacting to this. So, but you want to be the main guy here that talks about exactly how people could fix all of this system with respect to the service that you offer. Then step two, you want to answer questions like a friend. So if someone asks you basically about leaky pipes, explain how to fix small leaks themselves, not you trying to fix it for them. How they can do that themselves. So if they've tried all of these things and they say that okay, it's a bit helpful, most of them usually come back to Reddit and say your advice is a bit helpful. But if they need more advice, or if they need someone to come over, then they'll definitely try to contact you or look for somebody who's going to fix all of this for them. So let them find you. That's the third step. You put your business name in your profile. Don't push in the comments. So so basically, when you're building out your Reddit profile, you want to mention your business name right there. So this basically helps people see you when they just click on your profile. They see exactly what your business is and where they could get to contact you and all of those. Then pro tip, the best plumbers on Reddit teach people how to fix small problems themselves. Guess who they call for big problems? The person who just helped them. That's exactly how the internet works. So the conclusion right now is Reddit can help local SEO, but it's slow cooking recipe, not a fast food. Priority order, you fix your Google business profile, you build your website, then add Reddit. So final wisdom from me, the person who helps the most wins the most business. So if you find this video helpful, like and comment, whatever helpful or what helpful comment you think would be nice to have as pertaining using Reddit for local SEO. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions as regarding local SEO, how to rank your website, leave them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.